Here I have REALME C1. Let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen, find and select the settings. Then you need to scroll down and choose here the language and region. Tap language right here, and as you can see, here you've got access to all languages that you can use on this device. In my case, let me find and select, for example, Spanish, so the Español from España, tap done and choose change to Spanish. Now if you would like to use the Spanish version, you can go back, and as you can see, the whole list of settings and also apps are in Spanish. If you would like to go back to previous version, to the English one, let's find here and select Ajustes, scroll down and select here Configuración Adicional, let's choose Idioma y Región right here. Let's tap Idioma again and let's choose English, for instance, from United States. So that's it. Tap now Listo and Cambiar a Inglés, and now you can use the English version of your device. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.